Bismillahir-Rahman-ir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of July 2023 for all the Scorpio Ascendant people. In today's video, we will discuss about how will be the month of July for all the Scorpio Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all Scorpio Ascendant people, Sun controls your 10th house, and right now Sun is moving in your 8th house in the sign of Gemini, where 8th house Lord Mercury is also moving. 10th house deal with your work environment, your nature of your work colleague, your bosses, your superior, your respect, and your fame. 8th house deal with your sudden events, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your blaming ability, your unearned money, your in-laws related matters, and your all the secrets you have, all the research studies you have. All of these things are seen from 8th house. So right now your 10th house Lord is moving in your 8th house. So we can expect you may have some gains related to your work because your 10th house Lord is moving in the house of unexpected gains. Also, we can expect some of your work colleagues may create conspiracy against you because it create mental disturbance, and your 10th house Lord means your work house Lord is moving in your 8th house. So we can expect in the month of July, some of your co-worker or colleague may create some disturbance and conspiracy at your workplace for you people. Sun will stay in your 8th house till 16th of July. After 16th of July, Sun will move to your 9th house in the sign of Cancer. So we can expect after 16th of July, you may have some relief related to disturb effect of your workplace because your 10th house Lord will be moving in your 9th house after 16th of July. So we can expect these results from Sun in the month of July for all the Scorpio Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Scorpio Ascendant people, Mercury controls your 11th house and your 8th house, and right now, as we discussed previously in Sun section, Mercury is moving in its own sign in your 8th house in the sign of Gemini. Mercury will stay in your 8th house till 8th of July, then Mercury will move to your 9th house in the sign of Cancer. And in the 9th house, Mercury will stay till 25th of July. After 25th of July, Mercury will move to your 10th house in the sign of Leo, where Mars is already moving. So till 8th of July, Sun and Mercury both are moving in your 8th house. So we can expect your 8th house Lord is right now in 8th house. That's why we were saying in Sun section that you may have some gain related to your workplace, unexpected gain, because your 8th house Lord is also moving in 8th house. After 8th of July, when Mercury will move to your 9th house, then your 8th house Lord and your 11th house. 11th house deal with your gains, your elder siblings, your hopes and wishes, fulfillment of hopes and wishes, your large network circle, your professional network circle. So Lord of all of these things is moving in your 9th house. 9th house deal with your father, your luck, your travel related matter, your religious knowledge, and your post-grade education. So we can expect positive result after 8th of July when Mercury will move to your 9th house regarding all of these matters. Also, you may have some gain related to money matter after 8th of July when Mercury, your 8th house Lord and 11th house Lord, will be moving in your 9th house. Also, 9th house deal with your mentors, your travel related matters. So in the month of July, if you're trying to do some travel, we can expect good result regarding your travel related matters in the month of July for all the Scorpio Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Scorpio Ascendant people, Venus controls your 12th house and your 7th house, and right now Venus is moving in your 10th house in the sign of Leo, where Mars is already moving. 12th house deal with your isolation, your spirituality, your losses, your expenses, your foreign settlements, your subconscious mind, and your out of the world. All the matters is seen from 12th house. Out of the world means all any studies out of the world, like astro related studies, like planetary studies. All of these things are seen from 12th house. So right now your 12th house Lord and your 7th house Lord is moving in 10th house. 7th house and 10th house, both the houses are connected with fame. So we can expect in the month of July you may have some recognition, fame, and positive result regarding your workplace and your respect and your fame. Also, your 12th house Lord will be moving in your 10th house. If your work is somehow connected to foreign land, or you are working in a multinational company, or your payment is coming in foreign currency. So we can expect you may have some gains related to your money or your work in the month of July. Also, Ketu is moving in your 12th house from last year, March 2023. So that's why we are saying in the month of July, your 12th house Lord will be moving in your 10th house, and your 10th house Lord will be in 8th house. So that's why we were saying some of your work colleague may create conspiracy against you in the month of July. So you need to be very careful regarding all of these matters in the month of July. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Scorpio ascendant people, Moon controls your 9th house, and right now Moon is moving in your 3rd house in the sign of Capricorn. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard is set according to 6th of July, and on the basis of 6th July we are predicting for whole month. Because Moon is very fast moving planet, Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon for every house and monthly prediction video, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your Moon transit easily in your birth chart. So first of all, whenever Moon in transit moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some disturbance, issues and problem in our life. Because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. And somehow problem, disturbance, issues are always associated with these houses. And Moon considered as very delicate and sensitive planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Second important thing to judge Moon transit is that whenever Moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house in transit, during these days also we may have some disturbance, issues and problem in our life. Especially problem will come from the house significance in which the Moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. So that's the way to judge Moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Scorpio ascendant people, Mars is very important planet for you people because Mars is your ascendant lord and controls your 6th house. And right now Mars is moving in your work house, means in your 10th house. In there Venus is already moving as we discussed in Venus section. First house deals with you, your personality, your overall aspects of life, your health in general, your nature in general, all the aspects of your life is seen from first house. Sixth house deal with your daily routine, your court case litigation, your enemies, your hidden enemies, especially your loans, your debt. All of these things is seen from sixth house. Your daily routine in context to your work is seen from sixth house. One thing keep in mind is that second house, sixth house, and 10th house are these houses are always connected with your work somehow. So your sixth house lord is right now moving in your workplace. So as we discussed in Venus section, you may have some gains related to your work after 16th of July, especially. So we can expect these results in Mars section. Also, we can expect you may have some gains related to your work environment in the month of July. Especially, you have to do a lot of effort in your work because lot of efforts argument 5 is right now moving in your 10th house. So that's why, as we discussed previously, some of your co-worker may create conspiracy against you, but you will have the strength to deal with all the conspiracy and all the negative people at your workplace in the month of July. Because along with 6th house, Mars also control your first house, and first house give you strength to fight any negative thing in your life. So we can expect these results in the month of July for all the Scorpio ascendant people from all the planets. In the month of July, we will have four major astrological events. As we discussed previously, Sun will move from your 8th house to your 9th house on 16 July in the sign of Cancer. Second major astrological event is that Venus just moved from your 9th house to your 10th house on 7 July in the sign of Leo. Third major astrological event is that Mercury will move from your 8th house to your 9th house on 8 July 2023 in the sign of Cancer. And from your 9th house, Mercury will move from your 10th house on 25th July in the sign of Leo. Fourth and most important astrological event is that Venus is about to turn into its retrograde motion in your 10th house on 23rd July 2023 and will stay retrograde till 3rd September 2023. Rest all the planets like Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, Ketu. We have described the results of these planets in detail in our early prediction video. If you are interested to know the results of these planets for your ascendant for the whole 2023, then you can check my early prediction playlist and watch for your ascendant. I hope that video will prove helpful for you. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of July 2023 for all the Scorpio ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.